My name is Zhou. I'm a second-year graduate student from Nuclear Science and Engineering Department. I study plasma physics in Professor Loureiro's group. The group works on both fusion plasma and astrophysical plasma. When I studied physics at Zhejiang University as an undergraduate student, I always got interested in some many-body problems, especially some complex systems that exhibit collective behaviors. And then I chose plasma as a context for me to study these problems. The project that I'm currently working on is about trying to get a little bit understanding of the magnetic field in the universe. The magnetic field are quite pervasive and ubiquitous in the universe. They exhibit in stars, in planets, in the interstellar and intergalactic media, and of course in the fusion reactor. In all these contexts, the state of matter are basically plasmas. The questions we want to answer now is where the magnetic field from at the beginning and how did they form the large coherent structures and get the high amplitude we observe today. We believe that to answer these questions are important because it is widely believed that the structure formation of the universe is strongly coupled to the evolution of the magnetic field. So understanding the magnetic field is one of the important steps for us to understand our universe. The project I'm working on is like many-body system. It's a complex system and with some very interesting emergent behavior. So I found very interesting to study into this problem, and what I found most challenging is still very disconnect with what we observe today, and there is still a long way to go to match what we are doing like purely theoretically to what we observed practically. So in the future, I still want to stay in the plasma physics field because plasma is like one of the most ubiquitous state of matter in the world, and it can help us both better understand our universe to study many astrophysical problems, and also because it has a very useful application, that is the fusion energy. So I still want to keep doing some general problems in plasma physics, and I hope one day I can find some application on the thermonuclear fusion and also to many other problems like in astrophysical context, and also hope we can find some connection to other fields in physics.